Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps. After entering the browser, we have to find the history. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. Or you can simply tap on clear browsing data, and thanks to this option you will be able to remove some, I would say, like basic history. So it's up to you. I highly recommend to actually enter the history, so let's tap on it. There you've got the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button. And if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on clear browsing data at the top. And here we've got basic options like browsing history, cookies inside data and cached images and files, and advanced section with saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. So just choose the option you'd like to use and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.